Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 338th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Before we begin, I want to give my thoughts and prayers to everybody who passed away in the helicopter crash yesterday in Los Angeles, including Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gigi. This was such a tragic event. My prayers to Vanessa, his wife, and the Bryant family, and also the families. Let's have a moment of silence as we remember the victims. Rest in heaven, my friends. My friends, it is Super Bowl week. Congratulations to the Kansas City Chiefs and the San Francisco 49ers. Who are you rooting for? Let me know down below in the comment section. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a great dessert that'd be awesome to serve for your Super Bowl party. And they're the perfect little finger foods. We're going to make Nutella and Cheese Calzones. And calzones are stuffed pieces. You can stuff it with meats like pepperoni or sausage, cheese. And why not making a calzone dessert? It is thebomb.com. It's going to be full of Nutella, cream cheese goodness, delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you love Nutella and cream cheese, y'all going to fall in love with this calzone recipe. It's sure to make your mouth water. You'll be in heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Super Bowl recipes playlist for more recipes, from shrimp dip to fried pickles. Also check out my previous video, cinnamon raisin bread. I'll also post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. So grab your pizza dough, your Nutella, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some Nutella and cheese calzone magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the cheese mixture. In my bowl, I have two 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 egg yolk at room temperature, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And we're going to cream these ingredients together until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, this is what our cream cheese mixture look like. Nice and creamy. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to pop it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we can get started on our Nutella filling. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, I have 2/3 of a cup of Nutella, which is chocolate hazelnut spread. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of cold, heavy whipping cream. And going to give that a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. I love Nutella. This stuff is incredible. And that's it, my friends. Our Nutella filling is done. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, and our cream cheese mixture is nice and chilled. Now we're ready to make our calzones. Alright, my friends, on my flour surface, I have my pizza dough, and I just use store-bought pizza dough, or you can make it your own. So we're going to take a pizza dough, and make sure it's nice and cold. And using my rolling pin, we're going to roll it to 7 inches. Alright, my friends, now we're going to dollop 1 tablespoon of the cheese mixture in the middle, like so, and a tablespoon of the Nutella filling right on top. And I got an egg wash right here. We're just going to brush it on the sides. And then we're going to fold it. Going to close it up. And then using a fork, we're going to close the edges. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my calzones and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through making my calzones. So now we're going to brush them with the rest of the egg wash to get a nice golden brown color when they bake. Alright, my friends, now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 450-degree oven. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Nutella and cheese calzones. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. And I dusted them with some powdered sugar and serving it with some whipped cream. And this is my homemade whipped cream recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Dip in some whipped cream. Oh yeah, baby. Touchdown! The piece of crust is tender, and that cream cheese and Nutella filling is spot on amazing. Please give this recipe a try. Nutella and cheese calzone-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Super Bowl.